Warning, this video contains spoilers for the June 2023 Archer and Olive subscription box, so if you don't want the surprise spoiled, then it's time to look away. If, like me though, you're a super curious person, let's have a look. In our previous reveal video, we had a glass water bottle with a white scalloped pattern along the bottom. This one had a wooden lid with the Archer and Olive ampersand, and a plastic seal inside to ensure it didn't leak. In this video though, we have our next item, which is this. Merit Badge stickers. You totally earned these. From my understanding, these tie in with the whole summer camp thing because you can earn these at summer camps. I haven't really been on a summer camp. I went on a Girl Guides camp though. But let's open it up and have a look. So you can see we have 2 sticker sheets, and flipping those over, they both have the same design, each with 6 stickers. These ones have what I would consider to be a matte finish, and they really start to highlight our box color palette. Here you can see the kind of colors to expect in our sub box. These aren't exact color matches, it's me trying to take a physical item and color match on my computer, so there might be some slight variations. But having a look at our stickers, as said, we have 6 designs on 2 sheets, so 12 stickers total, and each of these has a positive mindset quote. So a merit badge for a successful brainstorming session, one for made a mistake and it was okay, we have tried hard at something new, created something just because, created before scrolling social media, and set up the month before the month started. So very much things to be proud of. You can see that each of the stickers are different shapes, so we've got like 2 arches, 2 circles, and 2 diamonds. So in terms of sizing, it's a little hard to describe. These are roughly 4 centimeters in terms of their diameter. This one is 5.5 across and about 3.5 tall, and then our arch is roughly 3.5 across by 4 tall. So you could kind of use them for decoration on either a monthly setup or a weekly setup. Or honestly, if I was still a teacher, I would probably be inclined to use these for my students. Of course, I only have 2 of each, so I'd have to be quite selective with who I gave them to. I'd love to hear about how you would plan on using these stickers, so let me know in the comments below. To make sure that you don't miss our upcoming reveals, do be sure that you are subscribed, or if you want to see the previous videos that we have for this box, then this playlist is the one to check out. Click or tap on that one, and I'll see you over there.